Allah mentions Adam in Al-Baqarah, Al-Araf, Al-Hijr, Taha, Sa'd, and more, each with a unique lesson. وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً. Indeed, I will place a Khalifa on the earth. 230.
Will you place one who causes corruption and sheds blood, while we glorify your praise? 230.
I know what you do not know. 230. Allah created Adam from dust, dust mixed with water, becoming sticky clay, then shaped into a special structure, dried until it sounded like pottery. 1526. Iblis observed, sensing human desire, forgetfulness, and need. Inni khalikun basharan min salsalin min hama'in masnoon. 1528. فَإِذَا صَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي. 1529. When I have fashioned him and breathed into him of my spirit, fall in prostration to him. 1529.
Alhamdulillah.
Allah said, Yarhamuk Allah, O Adam. Tirmidhi. His eyes opened to the beauty of Jannah. Humanity's first words were praise. Wa allama Adama al-asma'a kallaha. 231. Allah taught Adam the names, their identities, purposes, and natures, the gift to learn, to define, and categorize, intellect and awareness, and the gift of language. Adam presented the names as the angels listened.
سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العالم الحكيم.
O Adam, inform them of their names. He did, affirming Allah's perfect knowledge. 233. Allah's wisdom transcends our judgment. Humans carry weakness, yet capacity for great good as caretakers on earth. Remember the lesson and walk with humility, learning, and praise.